Using the zebra setting is a great way to keep your image from overexposing. Getting proper exposure manually can sometimes be tricky. You can't always go off what you see in the viewfinder, it might not be accurate. So I use the zebra setting on the camera. The zebra switch is located on the front of the camera under the lens. Switch the switch to the on position. The zebra function is now activated. When using the zebra setting, you will get striped lines across your image where the image is overexposed. This will only show up in the monitor, it does not record in your footage. Adjust the iris accordingly to keep your image from overexposing. If you have more questions, please feel free to contact us at 215-641-6477 or by email at techservices@mc3.edu.